Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing more details about a product that I first shared with you all and introduced on my channel in my favorites video. I think it was for June. I talked about the Mirenesse thermal wrap and repair hair mask. And since then, the people at Mirenesse saw that video and reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work with them to create a video to show you all how to actually use the hair mask and kind of talk in more details and depth about why I love this product so much. So of course I was like, absolutely, I would love to partner with you to share that on my channel. So this video is in partnership with Mirenesse. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use this hair mask. Before we get there, I kind of want to talk about the current state of my hair. So my hair, if you've been following me for any length of time, you've kind of heard my hair struggles. I have a very thick hair. It's very highly processed. I get highlights on my hair every 6 to 8 weeks. I get keratin treatments done on my hair. While I have thick hair, which is great, it can also be very hard to manage. I feel like my hair has a very coarse texture, which my hairstylist says my hair is not dry, but to me it looks dry because it's coarse. And I feel like when it gets to about this length, it's hard to keep the ends looking healthy. It's hard to keep the shine in my hair. So that's kind of been the struggle. That's kind of what I'm always looking for in products, or products to help me keep the shine, keep a nice, sleek, chic style, and just keep my hair looking healthy. So it is summertime and I have 2 little kids, which means I am at the pool or the lake all the time. I mean, we are literally at the pool or the lake or outside at least 3, sometimes 5 days a week. So my hair really takes a beating in the summertime, and I really struggle with keeping it looking healthy and shiny and not fried. So those are kind of the pain points that I struggle with when it comes to my hair. So when I first tried this mask back in June, I didn't really have any expectations. I hadn't really seen any videos talking about this mask. I really didn't know what to expect. This was sent to my P.O. box, but I didn't realize it was coming, so I didn't have time to do any research on it. I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. So I naively just tried this for the first time, and I was blown away with my results, you guys. I feel like if I can be wowed by a hair product, that is saying a lot, because I feel like my hair is very resistant and very challenged. And I feel like I have bought and spent so much money on products over the years that have just been disappointing. So when I find something that I notice an improvement in my hair after the first use, I like want to scream it from the rooftops. And this was definitely one of those products for me. So a few things about Mirenesse before we get into the demo. They do ship worldwide. You can order on their website, or you can also order on Amazon. They are giving my subscribers a 20% off site-wide coupon code. So I will have that down below. I think it's Lisa J20. I'll have that listed down below. They also carry a line of cosmetics, which they sent me a few. Today I have on the Cushion Foundation. It's the Collagen Cushion Compact Airbrush Liquid Powder. And I'm wearing the shade Mocha, which sounds a lot darker than it is. This is the first day that I've had it on. I think it's really nice. I've only had it on for a few hours, but it just gives like a pretty like natural finish. Then I also have on their Studio Magic BB Glow Powder, which is really interesting. It's a loose powder. And when it said BB Glow Powder, I was really curious because it has like this little, do you see that light reflective kind of shimmer to it? But when I put it all over the face, it didn't look too shiny. I've had the makeup on for, what time is it? I've had the makeup on for just a couple hours though, but it still looks really nice and pretty. And then I have on the blush, the Marble Mineral Blush Powder, and they sent me the shade Peros Pink, which is just this really pretty marbled shimmery blush. I have it on my cheeks, not too shimmery. It gives a nice little bit of glow, very pretty. So the 20% off does work site-wide, so not just on the hair masks, but also on the cosmetics. And last but not least, we are doing a giveaway. So Mirenesse is going to gift 10 lucky winners with a set of hair masks. All you have to do to be eligible to win is comment on this video letting me know what are some of your hair pain points. I will have all the details as far as when the giveaway expires, how the winners will be chosen in the description box below. But we are picking 10 winners to win a set of hair masks. So super excited about that. All right, without further ado, let's get into the demo. So this is the current state of my hair before using a mask. You can see there's just not a lot of shine to my hair. My ends in particularly look a little frayed and dry. I think that's what I struggle with the most, is just keeping my ends shiny and healthy looking. This is the view from the back. So as you can see, I'm in need of some help. So I've washed my hair. I did not condition it. I just washed it and I'm towel drying my hair. Then I'm running a brush through it just to make sure there's no tangles and everything is tangle free. Here's what the mask looks like. They're individually wrapped. When you open the hair mask, you take out the cap, and this is what the cap looks like. You can see it's very large. It smells incredible, you guys. It is loaded with a full bottle of serum. So I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but there is a ton of product inside this cap. You guys, it smells so amazing. I wish you could smell through video. So I put this directly on my head, and then I kind of take my hair and I twist it into a little bun, and I kind of shove it into the cap. I've seen people do it different ways, but this is what works best for me. Then it has this little adhesive strap right here. You can put it in the front or the back. I like to put it in the front because it's easier for me to secure. So you peel off this little sticker, and then you tightly secure the strap to the mask. So this just makes sure that it stays on real nice and snug. And this is how cute you look when it's on. Then you want to go in and massage all that product into the hair. There is a ton of product in here, you guys, so you really want to take your time making sure that it fully coats all of your hair. Because I have a lot of hair, I do this for a good probably 2 or 3 minutes, if not more, really working it in. Then I set my timer for 20 minutes. I've used this mask about 4 times, and it ranges anywhere for me from like 8 up to 20 minutes. Then I go in and I just massage it a little more. Then you rinse it out, and this is me styling my hair after I've rinsed out the mask. So the only product that I've put in my hair after that is a thermal or a heat protectant serum that I use before I blow dry. I like to blow dry my hair about 80% before I go in with a round brush like I'm doing now to actually style and blow out my hair. I like to do that just to make sure I've gotten most of that moisture out of my hair. It's just going to make my dry time quicker and make my style prettier. So I use a round brush to blow dry my hair. I find that it gives me volume, it helps smooth everything out, it just looks really nice. You'll notice too, I section my hair off. So here's the top and last section of me styling my hair with the round brush and blow dryer. And I always do the front top pieces last. I like to pull it in front of my face. It kind of gives me a little bit more volume if I blow dry it that way, like this. And then I'll flip it back and just kind of smooth it out with a brush. So this is what my hair looks like after I've blow dried it out. I don't feel the need to add any additional product after using this hair cap. Sometimes I'll add a shine spray or a serum when I'm not using the hair cap, but the hair cap really gives me the shine and the healthy hair look that I desire and that I try and get from other products. So it's nice not to have to use additional products. And so this is the after. This is just me attempting to model my hair. And then I give you guys a back view of the hair. So it just looks a lot shinier, healthier. The ends aren't frayed. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration. So that was actually filmed 2 days ago. That was filmed on Saturday morning. Today is Monday morning, so just over 48 hours, and this is what my hair looks like. I have not rewashed it at all yet. The only product that I've put in my hair since that hair mask is a little bit of dry shampoo this morning in the roots, but I haven't had to use any serums. I haven't used any shine spray that I typically use to keep my hair looking shiny. And this is what my hair looks like 2 days later, you guys. This is what my hair looks like. I did spend all day yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that we were at my in-laws yesterday and the kids were swimming. I didn't get in the pool, but I was outside. And so my hair is not like weighed down. I mean, I think it still looks pretty darn good for 2-day-old hair, don't you think? And again, all I applied was a little bit of dry shampoo in my roots this morning. So I am a big believer in this product. I cannot recommend this product enough, especially if you deal with damaged looking hair or your hair feels dry or it lacks that shine. I really think that this hair mask is worth giving a shot. So if you've tried this product, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Be sure to enter the giveaway. I'll have all the information on that down below, and make sure to check out the coupon code if you're interested in trying it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!